What's going on? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel, and we have a new unboxing right here. We have a package that came in the mail. So shout out to this company. I definitely appreciate it when companies reach out and send out products to review. So let's just go ahead and see what's in the box and check it out for the very first time. So right here we do have the 1500s, which are the AirPod clones. So basically we're going to take a look at them right here, and you can see that when we lift open the box, you can see we do have the instruction manual, which says TWS. Now these are going to be auto pairing, but there's not going to be any volume controls or like sound controls or anything like that. But you can see right here it says instructions as well right here. Connect to phones, and you can connect to iOS devices up to iOS 13, which is sick. You also connect this to any Android device as well. But what's really going to be cool is the enhanced sound quality that I'm looking forward to. So without any further ado, let me just go ahead and see what else is inside the box. You can see right here we do get the the power adapter, which is the lightning cable. So let's go ahead and see what else is inside of here. And right here we do get the clones right here. But what's really sick is that right here it says that they're made in California, designed in let me just zoom in right here. Designed by Apple in California, but assembled in China, which is dope. So they got that print on there. None of the clones that I ever reviewed ever had that print on there. So that, and then these actually have the weight of the real AirPods as well. So I just wanted to notate that as well, that these are they have a really good weight to them. So you're definitely going to experience the real experience of AirPods with these versions. So these are the 1500s, the 1500s. So these are different from all the others. These aren't like the i12s. These are on another level. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and read off some specs from my phone right now, because I had that saved right there. But when you lift them up, you can see that they do got that green light as well. So basically these are definitely going to be pretty cool. The company that reached out to me is called MGET. So when you go to their website, which I will link down below, and you go to their website right here, let me just I'm going to show you right now. I'm on my smartphone and I'm pulling that up as we speak. You can see these are charged already, so that's definitely cool. I appreciate that they had these fully charged right out of box, so I didn't have to do anything crazy. So when I go into the website right here, you can see that right here you just pull up the i500 pop-up AirPods, and these are the 1500s. They got heavy bass. This says right here more battery life and the H1 type chip. So when you click on that, I'll leave a couple links down below so you can check them out as well. But let's go ahead and take these right out of the things right here, and you can hear right away the HD quality coming out of them. Now I have a tablet over here that I did connect them to. So I'm going to see if I can disconnect them from this tablet, because I want to use them on my smartphone right now, because right now they automatically connected to it. But right here you can see right here it says AirPods. So when you connect it to the tablet or whatever, I'm going to disconnect it, and I'm going to connect it to my phone and show you how you actually would connect it automatically. So right here we're gonna go ahead and go right down to Bluetooth right here. Boom. So once we're in Bluetooth, we're going to you can see right here it says AirPods. So you just go ahead, you hit AirPods. It says pairing, and now they're automatically going to connect. That took like literally 1 second to do. So now I'm going to just go into Spotify really quickly, and right here, boom, and I'm going to just go to one of my favorite artists. These already have really there's no like buzzing noises or anything like that, full HD and everything, so the sound quality is good. These are halfway up and the volume is halfway, and I can barely hear myself, so that's definitely a good thing. Let's turn that up a little bit, and I can't turn it up anymore. Like, that's enough right there. But you do get more, but anywhere past this level is extremely loud. So I don't understand why it would get that loud, because you don't need that much volume. This is enough right here. So that's crazy right there. But anyway, let's go to YouTube and check out the playback on YouTube real quick. There's absolutely no lag either whatsoever, so that's definitely pretty sick. So we're gonna test out some phone calls right now and check that out as well. Either whatsoever, so that's definitely pretty sick. So we're gonna test out some phone calls right now and check that out as well. Alright, so these don't have like basically the forward and back with the songs or volume control either. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do like a voice dial on here, because I'm kind of hungry. So let me see if that works. And now it's going through. Hello? Yes. Can I get jumbo shrimp? I want French fries. And can I have shrimp roll, a Pepsi, and 2 water? Yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, perfect, thank you. All right, bye-bye. All right, so the sound quality was really good. Conversation was really crispy. I didn't have any issues whatsoever, so I definitely think that was pretty cool. So honestly, I could say that overall, let me just turn some music back on. You can't listen to these things at full volume. You only can listen to them halfway, or else you'll get your ears blown out. Let me show you. So like, this is good right here. You don't need them any further than that, or else you'll blow out your ears. These are really good sound quality, and honestly, these are just as good as the original AirPods. I can't listen to them at full volume, so that's like enough for me right there. And the bass is sick as well. So thank you guys for staying locked in with me. These actually have the real California, made in California in them as well, so you can stunt with these as well. But I appreciate you guys. Let me turn down the volume, because these are like ridiculously loud right now. Okay, now I can hear. But make sure you stay locked in for more videos. Appreciate this company that actually reached out to me and sent me these earbuds. I definitely appreciate MGET, and I definitely appreciate the Max, because Max, actually I was talking to you on this email chain, so appreciate you, and I definitely look forward to working with you in the future. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and good night, independent where you are. Stay locked in for more videos just like this. Peace. Thank you for sending these out, Max. I appreciate you for sending these out so we can review them on the channel. But these definitely are the best quality as far as Bluetooth AirPod clones I've tested so far. So I definitely appreciate MGET for sending these out. Make sure you check out the links down below and go to www.madgeniuset.com. and I'll put that down below as well. But it's your boy Serrano. Make sure you have a great night. Appreciate you guys for staying locked in with me. Hit that bell as well so you can subscribe and get notified, and I'll catch you later. Later, crew. Peace.